Hello, welcome. Question number 1B, BECE 2026. We have to factorize completely the expression into bracket x plus y, bracket close, into another bracket 2m minus n, bracket close, minus m into bracket x plus x, bracket close. Remember, factorization is looking out for a common factor in between terms. So if I have one term, I cannot be able to factorize, because if I find the factors, I have to compare that factors to another term in order to factorize. So here I have to identify how many terms are present in this expression. There I can find the common factors belonging to those various terms. So if you look at this, taking the bracket into consideration, you'll be thinking that every bracket is a term. Sometimes we even think that every number written here will represent a term, as in term 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Our idea of terms, which means that they are expressions that are separated by plus or minus. So we'll be thinking of that way. But another way we can look at it is that it is having a multiplication, which is the use of the bracket. So the x plus y is being held as one term because of the bracket. So that is one term. If it is not attached to this, we will consider it to be two terms, even though it's in a bracket. X plus y in a bracket alone is two terms. But as long as it is being multiplied by this, it becomes a single term. Then minus. This m is also multiplied by x plus y, which make this side become a single term. So here we are dealing with only two terms. What are the terms? I will be having the first one to be x plus y multiplied by 2m minus n. This gives you one term. It means that can be simplified by expanding. Then minus mx plus y being whole together. There is no way I can write the m independent of the x plus y. Because if I write it that way, it becomes different altogether. The only way I can write it differently is to expand the bracket. That makes it become a single term after it being expanded. So I'm holding this as one term, holding all of this as one term. Then the question is, what is the common factor? What factor is in the first term that can be seen in the second term? Or what expression can we see in the first term that will be seen in the second term? You can see that x plus 1 as a bracket, being a multiplier here, is common to x plus y in a bracket, which is also a multiplier of the m, or to the m, if I can put that way. What do? We find the common factor and take it out as a factor to multiply. So I'll be having x plus y as a factor. Now that factor divide the first term to give you the other factor, which is the multiplier. So if I divide all of this by x plus 1, obviously it will cancel this, leaving 2m minus n. Then this minus is what separates the first term from the second term. Then if I divide all of this term by the common factor, which is x plus y, it will cancel, leaving only what? M. You can see that we are able to factorize. But in the second bracket, I have m, which is a common factor, or let's say like terms. So 2m minus 1m. 2 apples minus 1 apple will give you only 1 apple. That means I have x plus y multiplying 1 apple, which is the m minus what? N. So this becomes your final answer if you are to factorize this. We are factorizing. We are not asked to simplify. If we are to simplify, we can expand this letter to make it independent of the bracket. I guess the concept is clear. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.